I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to unblock someone on Roblox using the Roblox.com website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to Roblox.com, and then sign in to your Roblox account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Roblox home screen. Step 2. Click the settings icon in the menu along the top of the screen, and then click Settings in this menu. Step 3. Click Privacy and Content Maturity in the menu on the left side of the screen. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Click Blocked Users in this menu. A list of all the users you've blocked on Roblox is displayed. Step 5. Find the Roblox user you want to unblock and then click Unblock associated with that user. That Roblox user will be unblocked immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.